Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala of Almighty God be on all of you. Today I am going to discuss about destiny. If everything is destined by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from birth to death, then why we are to blame? Then why we are at fault? For example, if anyone is destined to commit a sin, then who is to blame? But natural, it is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who is to blame. Nauzubillah, astaghfirullah. And if I am destined to commit a murder and I commit a murder, then who is to blame? But natural, I will not be responsible. It is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has destined that I will commit a murder. Then who is to blame? Now, as far as the question of destiny is concerned, of Taqdir is concerned, it is a common question asked by the non-Muslim, not only asked by the non-Muslim but also the Muslims. And it's difficult to understand, and I would like to give an example for better understanding that if a teacher teaches a batch of student and after 1 year has passed and just before the exam the teacher predicted that this student A will get first class first, and this student B will get second class, and this student C will get fail. And once the examination take place and the results come out, and the student A get first class first, and student B get second class, and the student C he get fail. Now just because the teacher has predicted that the student C will fail, now can the student C blame the teacher that because you predicted that I will fail, that the reason I fail? But natural, no. The student C, he himself responsible for that. Similarly, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he has ilm ghaib, the knowledge of the unseen, the knowledge of the future. For example, if a person comes to a road which is many road get together and crossroad, and he has the free will to choose any, and he choose road number 3. Now because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has the knowledge of the future, he has written in advance that this particular person will come at a crossroad and will choose the road number 3. Now not because that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in his destiny, in his taqdeer, that he will choose road 3, that the reason he is choosing road 3. Now because he will be choosing road 3, that the reason Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala written in advance. It's a bit confusing. And for a few moments later he come at another crossroad and he choose road number C. Now just because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala written in advance that he will be choose road C, that the reason he is choosing road 3. Because he will be choosing road 3, that the reason Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in advance in his destiny that he will be choose road 3. Now similarly, when a person get adult, he can rob, he can steal, or he can earn money by hard working, by striving, by doing good job, honest job. He is free to do anything. Either he can do wrong thing or he can do the right things. Now similarly, if a person is destined to commit a murder, he has the free will to do anything. Either he can commit the murder or he cannot, or he will not commit the murder. He is completely free. But because he will be choosing that particular committing sin or murder. That the reason Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioned in advance. That the reason there is a saying in Urdu by Allama Iqbal, poet, that खुदी को कर इतना बुलंद क्या तकदीर के पहले खुद से बचा दे राधा क्या है. Make yourself so great that before written your destiny, God will ask you, what is your will?